Is the Huawei Nova Y71 still the best budget phone of 2024? This smartphone has been turning heads since it launched thanks to its design and that massive 6,000 mAh battery. But we gotta know, does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out! First impressions. The Huawei Nova Y71 comes packaged in clean, minimal packaging. Inside, you'll find the phone, a 22.5-watt fast charger, USB-C cable, and a protective case, everything you need to get started. The phone feels light and comfortable. The plastic body with rounded edges makes it easy to grip. You get 2 stylish colors to choose from and match your vibe: gold or classic black. We call it a budget option because of the price, but this phone definitely does not look it. The Huawei Nova Y71 has got premium written all over it. Design and build. The Nova Y71 continues Huawei's trend of sleek and modern smartphones. It has slim bezels, giving it a large screen. The plastic frame makes it lightweight but durable. In short, this phone is designed to last. Display. With a 6.75-inch HD Plus display, the Huawei Nova Y71 offers you a solid viewing experience. The one sticky point may be that the resolution is not full HD, but for the price, it's more than adequate. Performance. Powered by 128 gigs of internal storage that is expandable up to 512 gigs, this phone has plenty of space for your apps, photos, and videos. Day-to-day performance is smooth for browsing, texting, and casual app usage. However, if you're into multitasking or if you have more demanding apps, you might experience some slowness. For those just looking for a daily driver though, the Huawei Nova Y71 gets the job done. Camera. It features a triple camera setup with a 48-megapixel main camera, 5-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The photos are vibrant and detailed, perfect for your social media feed. For selfies, the 8-megapixel front camera does the job. Overall, the camera is a solid contender. Battery life. Now, when it comes to battery life, the Huawei Nova Y71 shines. It's all thanks to the massive 6,000 mAh battery. It allows the phone to easily last through a full day of heavy use. You'll get through hours of browsing, video playback, and more. Plus, with 22.5-watt fast charging, you can top up quickly. Just 10 minutes of charging gives you around 3 hours of video playback. Conclusion. When compared to other budget-friendly smartphones, the Huawei Nova Y71 stands out with its large battery and sleek design. If battery life, good pics, and display size on a budget are your main priorities, the Huawei Nova Y71 is a winner.